You do not have to stop eating yam because you're scared of eating more than you should be having in a meal. Now, I'm going to show you 2 methods you can actually use to portion your yam, because this method helped me stay on track throughout my weight loss journey. Now, the first method is the hand method. You're going to place the yam right in the middle of your palm, just like this. Please cut your yam in this flat way and shape, not too thick and not too thin. Then ensure it's not covering your entire hand, just the middle of your palm, and with this method you're good to go. Please don't make the mistake of adding more small chunks of yam to your plate, because it will totally take you off balance. For the next method, you're going to be using the 1 cup measurement for carbs. Just cut your yam in small bits into the measuring cup to get the exact amount you should be consuming in a meal. Whichever method you decide to use is actually very perfect. So for lunch, I'm going to be pairing this yam with 1.5 cup of my cabbage sauce, 2 boiled eggs, and you're good to go. Enjoy!